Let me just say I rise in strong support of this amendment and this bill. And I want to thank Chairman Obey for yielding, and I want to thank the chairman and his staff and my staff of the subcommittee and all of our staffs for producing this very excellent bill. Mr. Chair, our nation is in the midst, as we all know, of the worst economic crisis since the Great Depression. Families are losing their jobs, losing their homes, losing their access to health care. People are hurting, and they really do need our help. That's why this bill is so important. From expanding support for education initiatives like early childhood education to job training and employment services to expanding access to health care and improving public health, this bill will provide a critical range of services and support for our constituents, especially during these very devastating times. And I want to thank the chairman for including a number of very important priorities that many of my colleagues requested. In particular, $653 million to strengthen historical black colleges and universities, predominantly black institutions, Hispanic serving institutions, and other developing institutions. And this is a $110 million increase over the President's request for HBCUs. Also for a $54 million increase for HIV AIDS funding through the Ryan White CARE Act, and a $56 million increase for the CDC's HIV AIDS Bureau. We also included $50 million for Green Jobs Training Program, building on the $500 million we provided in the Recovery Act. And this is extremely important because there are those individuals who need to be trained and need the skills for this great trillion-dollar industry that is emerging in our country. And also, I want to thank the chairman for replacing the discredited and ineffective abstinence-only program with the President's evidence-based teen pregnancy prevention initiative to fund proven approaches to reduce unintended pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections. This is a huge, huge step in the right direction to ensure the health of our young teenage girls and boys. These critical investments will help put our nation back on the right track, and I urge my colleagues to vote for the amendment in the bill. I thank the chairman for his leadership.
Gentleman's time has expired.